welcome back to the makeup mess. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be going through my favorite products I like to go through especially for the summer. I'm based in Johannesburg, so the weather here gets super dry, and you still want to have that really nice glow and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go through my favorite products and products I recommend, especially for brown skin girls for the summer, to keep you nice, hydrated, and have that really nice glow. So the very first product I really like is the product by Nivea. This one is, Nivea first of all has amazing products. All their lotions are super awesome, and they've been around for so long and they never let us down. But this one is the Cocoa Butter 48-Hour Deep Moisture Cream. Well, it says here serum, but it has cocoa butter, it has vitamin E, and I promise you guys, every time I use this product, my skin looks so radiant. My complexion is even. I don't have uneven tone. So that's the one thing I love about it, especially for brown skin girls. If you want a really nice, clean, clear complexion, even skin tone, definitely this one. So the very next product is actually really going to surprise you, but it's a product by Olive Miracle. This one is actually for your hair, can you believe it? But when I read the back of the label, apparently you can use it for your nails and you can use it on your skin. So the best way to actually use it is by taking a bath, putting a few drops in there, and then letting your skin actually absorb all the good oils in this stuff. There is olive oil, jojoba oil, so many awesome oils are in here, guys. So it's not just good for your hair, but it's also super amazing for your skin. I would recommend you use this immediately after exfoliating your skin. Let your skin absorb all that good stuff, and then take it from there. So the very next one is a classic. We grew up with this product since we were little kids. You can't go wrong with it. It's a proper classic. It's like tomato sauce. It's like sugar. It will always be around, and that is Vaseline. Vaseline is super awesome, guys. I use this for my feet, especially during the summertime, because we do wear open shoes in the summer. So I use this after I've deep exfoliated my feet, put some Vaseline on, wear some socks, and go to sleep. And then I wake up and my feet are super soft, super cute, and so Vaseline, you can't go wrong with this all year round, but especially in the summer. And also Vaseline locks in moisture. I also use this actually on my eyebrows. So I also use Vaseline on my eyebrows, on my eyelashes, and another good tip for Vaseline is to use it on your neck to prevent premature aging. So that's a good tip. So now we're going to move on to our face. Very obviously important. So one of the coolest products I've been using lately is the one by Yardley, the Oatmeal range. This one is a cleansing gel, especially for girls with oily skin like myself. This one is great because it removes excess oils, impurities, and it leaves your skin super fresh, super clean, and it's just awesome. It doesn't leave my skin too dry, but it really does remove all that sweat, all that gunk, all that extra makeup, and I feel fresh. I feel really honestly fresh. So I really do love this product. I recommend it. Yardley, the Oatmeal range, super great. Another product which is great is the IQ Clear Start Exfoliating Scrub. This one is actually the Smoothing Microderm Scrub. It has antioxidants in it, salicylic acid and aloe vera gel. Great for oily skin girls like myself, especially girls that wear makeup a lot. So this is really cool. The exfoliation is super soft, nothing too harsh, just enough to remove all that pollution, all that sweat off your skin from the heat, and love it. Thank you, IQ. And another one from IQ, and girls, we know this by now, is to use sunblock. You cannot leave the house without any sunblock on your face, whether it's raining or it's super hot. Sunblock all the way. I use the one that is SPF 30. Always make sure that it has UVA and UVB lighting to prevent premature aging on your face. Love this stuff. and it's water resistant. Now, the IQ one is great because it's not too heavy on your skin, especially if you're gonna wear makeup. Some sunblocks can be super heavy, and then you put on makeup on and then it makes your makeup look like thick, heavy, and super creamy. But this one is super not like that. It's like light, non-greasy, doesn't leave like a gray undertone either, and that's that. All these products are from Dischem. Love Dischem. Maybe a bit too much, but yeah, super affordable. And the very last tip goes as well during the summer, if you want to get that really nice glow, keep your skin healthy, is to exfoliate your skin. I like to use the exfoliating gloves. These ones, super affordable as well, nothing too fussy. I get them every month. Just to exfoliate, get rid of all that dead skin cells on your skin. Really focus on areas where you want like extra glow, like your shoulders when you're wearing an off the shoulder dress. Really great. These are fantastic for exfoliating your skin. Do this about twice a week in the summer. And then once you've exfoliated, you go in with your oil, then you moisturize, and then you lock in that moisture with your Vaseline, and you top it off with some sunblock. I know it sounds like it's a lot, but you'll thank yourself 20 years down the line that you did all these steps, and then we can all look like Jennifer Lopez. So yeah, cool. That is it for now, girls. It's so late. I need to go to bed. So yeah, gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.